The next question is, how is phenol separated from salicylic acid? To know the separation method, first of all, you should know the structures of these compounds. Phenol is represented by the structure or the formula C6H5OH. This is actually phenol. And salicylic acid also contains a phenolic group, but in addition to that, it contains an acid group, that is 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. So this is salicylic acid. The difference between salicylic acid and phenol is both contain the phenolic group, but the salicylic acid contains an extra COOH group. So this is a phenolic acid, this is only a phenol. The question asked is, how is the phenol separated from salicylic acid? We cannot make use of sodium hydroxide because sodium hydroxide will dissolve both the phenol as well as salicylic acid. Whereas when you make use of, first dissolve the whole mixture, the entire mixture is dissolved in ether. Phenol is also soluble in ether and salicylic acid is also soluble in ether, so it is shaken up and forms a clear solution. To the ether solution, when you add sodium bicarbonate solution, saturated solution of sodium bicarbonate, it will react only with this because acids are reacted by the sodium bicarbonate solution, it will form the sodium salt. Therefore, all the salicylic acid will be taken up by sodium bicarbonate solution, will come into the aqueous layer, and the ether will contain only the phenol. So the aqueous layer is separated and neutralized with HCl to liberate the free salicylic acid, leaving the phenol in the ether layer. This phenol in the ether layer can be recovered by evaporating the ether to give the phenol. So this is the easy method of separation. Since these two contain a common group, one group which is sensitive only to sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate does not affect free phenol. Therefore, phenol will not be affected by this, and therefore this can easily be removed by means of shaking it up with sodium bicarbonate and leaving the phenol in ether medium. So this is the best method. Sodium bicarbonate is the reagent to be used.